Hi, hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss JEE Mains Level 3 problems in the topic circles. Let us have a discussion. Let A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 be a regular hexagon inscribed in a unit circle with center at origin. Then the product of lengths of the line segments A0, A1, A0, A2 and A0, A4 is. So according to the question, I draw the figure. This is the circle equation. What is circle equation? Unit circle they mentioned with center 0, 0. Center 0, 0 means it is a standard equation of circle. And radius is how much? Unit circle. Unit circle means 1. So circle center 0, 0 and radius is 1. We can write it as x square plus y square equal to 1 square. Generally we can write as x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to r square. R value is 1. So directly I wrote x square plus y square is equal to 1. So therefore radius value will become as 1. What is the parametric point on the circle? For the circle x square plus y square equal to r square, the parametric equation is of the form P of a cos theta comma a sin theta, or in place suppose our radius is r cos theta comma r sin theta. Based on this here, how many points are there? The regular hexagon inscribed in a unit circle. So this is the hexagon. Regular hexagon means all the lengths should be equal. That means A0, A1, A1, A2, A2, A3, A3, A4, A4, A5, A5 and A5, A0. Regular hexagon. These values are all the lengths. And one more important thing, here circle means it contains 360 degrees. Na? So from here to here, total how many parts are there? 6 parts are there. So total 360 divided by 60. So this point, A0 point, how to write it? The point we are taking as A0. A0 is the first point. R cos theta, R sin theta. Here this line makes an angle with this line only. It will be theta equal to 0 degrees. When you come to here, theta is 60. When you come to here, 60 plus 60, 120. A0 coordinates are r cos theta, comma r sin theta. But first point r is equal to 0, no? So radius is, we know that 1. 1 into cos 0, comma 1 into sin 0. So it will becomes cos 0 value is 1, 1 into 1. Sin 0 0, 0 into 1 is 0. So A0 coordinates we got it. Similarly, A1 point r into r value 1 directly. Cos theta value, how to write it? From here to here, the angle is 60 degrees. Sir, how you know? Total, how many parts are there here? 6 parts are there. So total, the circle contains 360. So 360 by 60 means what? Each part will be 60 only. So whenever you are writing this point, the coordinates includes the angle 60 degrees. Therefore, r cos 60, r sin 60, which is equal to r value is 1. 1 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2. R value 1, sin 60 value root 3 by 2. So the coordinates of A1 will be 1 by 2 comma root 3 by 2. Similarly, you can calculate A2. R into, here A2 means this point of view. From here to here 60, from here to here 60. Total how much angle will be here? 120 degrees. So R into cos 120, R into sin 120. Cos 120, cos of 90 plus 30. Cos of 90 plus theta minus sin theta. So minus sin 30. So R value is 1, sin 30 value is 1 by 2. So minus is there, minus 1 by 2. I hope everyone understand that. R value is 1. Cos 120, cos of 90 plus 30 minus sin 30. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. R value 1, sin 120, sin of 90 plus 30. Sin of 90 plus 30, cos 30. That is, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So the coordinates of A2 will becomes minus 1 by 2 comma root 3 by 2. Now come to A2 is also over A3. So from here to here 60 plus 60. Here one more 60 will add now. So for the angle A3, theta will be considered as 180. 60 plus 60 plus 60. So in place of theta, the coordinates of A3 are cos 180 or sin 180, which is equal to R value 1, cos 180, cos pi minus 1. So minus 1, sin 180, 0. Next, A4 point, we required A4 point only. They are asking to calculate the product of these values. So A4 means here only. So 60 plus 60 plus 60, 240. To write the coordinates of A4, 240 you can write it. So R cos 240 degrees, R sin 240 degrees. R value is 1. Cos 240, cos of 180 plus 60, cos of 180 plus theta minus cos theta. So cos 60 is minus cos 60, that is minus 1 by 2. Sin of 180 plus theta, sin of 180 plus theta minus sin theta. So here minus sin 60 root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. So till here we can stop it. No need to calculate A5 remaining. Why? Because they are asking to calculate the product of the lengths A0 A1, A0 A2, A0 A4. So distance between A0 A1, distance between A0 A2, distance between A0 A4. These distances they are asking. So one by one we will calculate A0 A4. So A0 first A1. Distance between these 2 points. 1 minus 1 by 2 under root of 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 0 minus root 3 by 2 whole square. So remaining I write directly for understanding purpose I am writing. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. Minus root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4, which is equal to root 4 by 4, root 1. So A0 A1 value is equal to 1. Similarly, A0 A2 value, A0 A2 square root of 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus of minus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 0 minus root 3 by 2 root of, here 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2 whole square means 9 by 4. Next root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4. Root 12 by 4, that is equal to root 3. Therefore, A0 A2 is equal to root 3. Next, they are asking A0 A4. A0 A4. So distance between 1 comma 0 and minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. 1 minus of minus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 0 minus of minus root 3 by 2 whole square. So root over 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4. Why? Because 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4. Root 3 by 2 whole square, 3 by 4. Root 12 by 4. Root 3. Therefore, A0 A4 which is equal to root 3. But they are asking the product of these 3 values. Now, A0 A1 into A0 A2 into A0 A4 which is equal to 1 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. So ultimately the answer is 3. So therefore the product of A0 A1, A0 A2, A0 A4 equal to 3, which is there in the first option. The next question. If 1 plus ax whole power n equal to 1 plus 8x plus 24x square plus and so on, and a line through the point P of a comma n which cuts the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 in capital A and capital B, then the value of PA into PB. So here P indirectly is given, we have to calculate. So P of a comma n, what is the given circle? X square plus y square equal to 4. This is the given circle. So we can write it as S equal to x square plus y square minus 4. This is the equation of circle. And one more condition is given. 1 plus ax whole power n is equal to 1 plus 8x plus 24x square plus and so on. This is the given information. We know that in the binomial expansion, generally if you do that, 1 plus ax whole power n, general expansion if you do, 1 plus, here this is x, this is n into x, that means ax into n means here nc1 plus ax whole square nc2. nc2 means n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. So 2. So directly we will write it as n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial means 2. Plus and so on. No need to go for why I am not writing. Here also in the question 3 terms was there, no? So here also I wrote only 3 terms. Now we will verify by taking the values of the point is P of a comma n. Both are unknown values. Sir, how to get this a comma n values? In what way you will take it? Here if you observe that 8 values there, 1 plus 8x in the second term. 8 can be taken as, the two possibilities are there. One is 1 comma 8, another one is 2 comma 4. Here a is equal to 1 I am taking and n is equal to I am taking 8. In another case, a is equal to 2, n is equal to 4. Like this way we will check out for which case it will be possible, that we will consider as a point. So now I am checking a is equal to 1 and n is equal to 8 in RHS. Substitute in RHS. RHS means this one. So it will becomes 1 plus a value is 1. So x. So good. A value is x into n value is what? 8. So 8x it is comparing. Next, what about third one, whether it is satisfying or not, we will check. Plus ax. Ax means 1 into x whole square. N value is 8 into 8 minus 1 divided by 2 plus and so on. So which is equal to 1 plus 8x. Here 2 ones are 2 fours are. 4 into 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 fours are 28. So 28x square plus and so on. So 1 plus ax whole power n will be 1 plus 8x plus 28x square. Is it equal to this one? First two terms are okay. What about third term? Here 28x square is there, here 24x square is there. So a is equal to 1, n is equal to 8 is not correct pair. So what is the other alternative? So this pair is not possible. Go for the another possibility. So a is equal to 2. N is equal to 4, substitute in RHS. So I am checking once again. 1 plus ax whole power n is equal to 1 plus a value 2. So 2x into 4 plus 2x whole square into 4 into 4 minus 1 divided by 2 plus and so on, which is equal to 1 plus 8x. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 into 3 6. 6 into 2 square 4 24x square. So it will be comparing these two, both are coincident. So the right pair is A is equal to 2, N is equal to 4 is the right pair to the corresponding binomial expansion. Therefore, this point P will becomes P of 2 comma 4 is the right pair. So 2 A value is 2, B value is N value is 4. Now it will become x1 y1. After that, come to the concept. This is the circle equation. P point is here, P of 2 comma 4. A line through the point P which cuts the circle. A line which through the point P which cuts the circle in two different points A and B respectively. Whenever the line cuts into two different points, we have an important point. Then PA into PB is equal to power of point. Power of point. That is denoted by S11. According to the given circle, S11 is what? For this circle, S11, wherever x comma y is there, x1, y1 you have to replace. That is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 4. In place of x1, y1 you have to replace with 2 comma 4. So it will become 2 square plus 4 square minus 4. So 4 plus 16 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled, which is equal to 16. Therefore, PA into PB is equal to 16, which is there in the third option. We will move to the next. The next question. Let PQ and RS be the tangents at the extremities of the diameter PR of the circle of radius R. If PS and RQ intersect at a point capital X on the circumference of the circle, then 2R is equal to. So these are the options available. So according to the question, you draw the figure. So what are the extremities of the diameter? PR is the diameter. So this is the circle equation. So this is the circle. So at a time you have to draw that, otherwise it won't come. This is the circle. PQ and RS be the tangents at the extremities of PR. So PR is the diameter. This is the P. This is R. So obviously this is the center. From here to here radius R. From here to here radius R. So PR equal to 2R. 2 times of R. Draw the tangents. PQ is one tangent. This is PQ tangent. And RS from here. This is another tangent. PQ and RS are the tangents at the extremities of the diameter, which are intersecting these two tangents. Tangents they won't intersect, but QR and PS which are intersecting. See here. PS and RQ which are intersecting at the point X. So first join PS and a little bit you can write Q here based on that. This is the way you can, this is Q point now. So this is capital X which lies on the circumference of the circle. Which lies on circumference of the circle. Anyway, this is a semicircle. P or X is a semicircle. We know that the angle at right angle, the angle in the semicircle is right angle. This is 90. So if you assume this angle is theta, obviously this is 90 minus theta. Am I right? So sum of the angles, whether it is 180 or not in the triangle, once you check. Theta plus 90 minus theta plus theta get cancelled, 90 will be there. 90 plus 90, 180. So it will be proved. From triangle here, from triangle RPQ, better to take not RPQ, or PS, or PS, tan theta is equal to tan theta opposite by adjacent side. What is opposite side? SR or S divided by PR. From the figure, we know that PR is equal to R plus R, 2R. From the figure, we know that PR equal to 2R. They are asking that only directly. 2R equal to means PR value they are asking. So next, you put that equation number 1. You consider this triangle also, PRQ, from triangle PRQ, tan theta. So tan of, in place of theta, what value is there here? 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta equal to opposite side PQ divided by adjacent side PR. Tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cot theta is equal to PQ divided by PR. You put that equation number 2. We know that the relation between tan theta and cot theta, we have tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. They are reciprocal to each other. So what is tan theta value here? RS divided by PQ, PR, into cot theta value, PQ divided by PR, cross multiply. So that implies that RS into PQ is equal to PR square. But they are asking PR. So that implies that square root of RS into PQ is equal to PR. So PR in the sense 2R. So 2R equal to PR, which is the square root of RS into PQ, which is there in the first option. I hope everyone understand that. We'll move to the next question. The next question. If A is greater than 2B is greater than 0, then the positive value of M for which y equal to mx minus b into root over 1 plus m square is a common tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to b square and x minus a whole square plus y square equal to b square. So this is the common tangent they are saying clearly. So what is the first circle? X square plus y square equal to b square. This is the first circle. So center is here 0, 0, radius r is equal to b. Come to the second circle. X minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. That means directly y square is given, which is equal to b square. Here center is c is equal to a, 0 and b r is equal to b. This equation, if you observe that for this equation common tangent with slope m, the equation of tangent with slope m to this circle I am mentioning here, to this circle is y is equal to mx plus or minus r into root over 1 plus m square. Generally we are writing in this way. What is radius of this circle? B. So y is equal to mx plus or minus b into root over 1 plus m square. In place of plus or minus, only one case is given. Y is equal to mx minus b plus b minus b into root over 1 plus m square is given. So among these two equations, they have to consider only y is equal to mx minus b into root over 1 plus m square. This is a common tangent to this circle as well as this circle. Common tangent means it touches both the circles. So this equation of circle touches x minus a whole square plus y square equal to b square. Whenever the line touching the circle, radius is equal to perpendicular distance, r is equal to d. What is R in this? Radius of this circle is what? B is equal to, D means what? Perpendicular distance. From where? From center is what? From center of the circle is what? A comma 0. Here already I wrote. Perpendicular distance from center of the circle C of A comma 0 to this line. Y minus, Y also we can take this side better. So mx minus y minus b root over 1 plus m square equal to 0. So now perpendicular distance calculate. B is equal to mod, in place of x comma y, a comma 0 substitute perpendicular distance. So ma minus 0 minus b into root over 1 plus m square divided by root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. So m square plus minus 1 whole square. So b is equal to mod ma minus b into root of 1 plus m square divided by root of m square plus 1. Cross multiply b into root of m square plus 1 is equal to mod ma minus b into root of 1 plus m square. Squaring on both sides. So it will becomes b square m square, directly I am writing, plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square expansion, m square a square plus b square m square plus b square minus 2 into m into ab root over 1 plus m square. Both sides b square m square, b square m square, b square also cancel. This minus value I am taking this side. So it will becomes 2mab root over 1 plus m square is equal to m square a square. Squaring on both sides. 4m square a square b square into 1 plus m square is equal to m square a square. M square, sorry, here m power 4 will come now. M power 4 and a power 4. So one of the m square will be cancelled here and one of the a square will be cancelled here. 4b square into 1, 4b square plus 4b square m square is equal to a square m square. They are asking to calculate m square subject. So this 4b square m square I am taking this side. So 4b square is equal to, from this m square I am taking common, a square minus 4b square. So that also implies that m square is equal to 4b square divided by a square minus 4b square. So m is equal to under root of 4b square by a square minus 4b square. That is equal to root 4, we can write 2, root b square, b. So 2b divided by root over a square minus 4b square. This is m value. Actually plus or minus will come. They are asking to consider positive m value. Since m is positive, so you will consider m is equal to 2b by root over a square minus 4b square. This is the positive value of m which is there in the first option. We will move to the next question. The next question. The coordinates of the center of the smallest circle touching the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 and the line x plus y equal to 5 root 2 are. First, according to the question, you draw the rough figure, you will get idea. The coordinates of the center of the smallest circle which touching the given circle and also the line. See here, what is the given circle? Given circle is x square plus y square equal to 4. So obviously the center is 0, 0 and radius is 2 units. So this is the circle. X square plus y square equal to 4. So radius is 2 units. here to here 2 units. This is center O I am taking O. The coordinates of the center of the smallest circle touching the circle. So here one smallest circle I am taking. This is the smallest circle touching this circle, and also the line. So if we extend like this, this line is what? X plus y is equal to 5 root 2 or x plus y minus 5 root 2 equal to 0. This is the line. We don't know these coordinates of the centers. Here, see, you can take it. Center of this circle. This point I am taking as D. Here, this circle touches at this point. We don't know this radius of this small circle. Observe carefully. What I am going to do is, these coordinates are required coordinates x comma y I am taking. From here to here distance we don't know, but we will get it. How? Observe that carefully. From center of this circle to this line, if we calculate the perpendicular distance, from here to here distance will come now. So OD is equal to perpendicular distance from origin to the line, x plus y minus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So that is equal to perpendicular distance from origin to the line is mod c by root over a square plus b square. So mod c value 5 root 2 minus 5 root 2 by root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square, 1 square plus 1 square. So mod minus 5 root 2 is plus 5 root 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 get cancelled is equal to 5. So OD distance is equal to 5 units. OD is equal to 5. We got it here. From here to here, 5 units means here some point to take. O, C, here, B is the rest. B I am taking, that point is B. So from the figure, OD is equal to 5 and OB is equal to 2. Then BD is equal to OD minus OB only, no? So that is equal to BD is equal to OD means 5 minus 2 which is equal to 3. So BD value is equal to 3. BD means what? Radius of the diameter of the required circle. This is R, this is R. So BD can be written as BC plus CD. Both are equal to 2. 3 is equal to 2R. So that implies that R is equal to 3 by 2. R means what? Whether it is BC or CD. But BC only I required. This value is equal to 3 by 2. This value is 3 by 2. So therefore, OC is equal to, from here, OC is equal to 3 by 2. Next, this line, OD line makes an angle 45 degrees. Sir, how sir you are going to say that it is 45? How? You are saying that it is 45. Absolutely, this line is, this OD line is perpendicular to this line and making here total angle is what? X axis and Y axis. So total is 90. So obviously this angle is 45 degrees. So here 45 degrees, theta equal to 45 degrees. And to get the coordinates of C, let coordinates of C be x comma y. This given point is, this is origin x1 y1. O is x1 y1 and also origin 0 comma 0 x1 y1. By using parametric equations in the straight line concept in the first year, symmetric form of the straight line. This is OC line is there, no? So symmetric form of the straight line, if you write it, x minus x1 by cos theta, y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to mod r. Here mod r represents to get the OC distance, no OC distance. Mod r means mod OC here. No? Distance always you can take as positive. OC value we got it here 3 by 2. Not only OC 3 by 2 is no, not OC it is only BC. Sorry, here this is BC. To get OC is equal to what from here? OB plus BC. OB value we got it from here. BC is 3 by 2. So OC is equal to OB plus BC. OB plus BC. OB is equal to 2 plus BC is 3 by 2. 2 to the 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 2. Observe carefully. This is a conceptual question. So OC value is 7 by 2. X1, Y1 values are 0, 0. Theta value substitute there. Theta value is 45 degrees. So x minus 0 divided by cos 45. Y minus 0 divided by sin 45 is equal to 7 by 2. Cos 45 sin 45 1 by root 2. So x by 1 by root 2 is equal to y by 1 by root 2 is equal to 7 by root 2. 7 by 2. Equating these two. X is equal to 7 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. Similarly, y is equal to 7 by 2 into 1 by root 2. Therefore, x comma y is what? The coordinates of the required small circle center. So, therefore, the center of a required circle, small circle, center, C of x comma y is equal to C of 7 by 2 root 2 comma 7 by 2 root 2. So the coordinates of the smallest circle center is 7 by 2 root 2, 7 by 2 root 2. I hope everyone understand that. Slowly you can understand that accordingly. Any doubts are there, you can write to my comment box. I am ready to help you. So according to the options, which option? So first option is the right option. We'll move to the next question. The next question. The locus of the point which divides join of a of minus 1 comma 1 and a variable point p on the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 in the ratio 3:2 is, this is the locus options. A locus of the point which divides the join of a of minus 1 comma 1 and variable point. Variable point means the point which lies on the circle. It may be parametric point or general point. Generally you can take, whenever locus problems are there, no, you can take parametric point. This is good. So this is the circle equation. So this is some point A, minus 1 comma 1. A locus of the point which divides the join of a of minus 1 comma 1 and a variable point. A variable point I am taking here. This is the point P. What is P of theta? The given circle is x square plus y square equal to 4. That can be written as 4 can be written as 2 square. It is in the form of x square plus y square equal to r square. So parametric point P of theta can be taken as r cos theta or sin theta. So r is equal to what here? 2. R is equal to 2. If we compare with this equation with x square plus y square equal to r square, so r is equal to 2. So parametric point here I am taking as 2 cos theta comma 2 sin theta. I hope everyone understand that. So a locus of the point which divides the join of minus 1 comma 1 and variable point on the circle itself. So here I am taking one point Q of x comma y which divides in the ratio 3:2. In the ratio 3:2. So separately we will draw that this line. Otherwise here only x1 y1, x2 y2. This is Q divides in the ratio of 3:2. So here in 3 means you will take this point as some lengthy. Here this point is A. From here to here, this point is A. From here to here distance 3 units. X comma y divides AP in the ratio of 3:2. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this is m, this is n. So q of x comma y, q of x comma y equal to mx2, I am writing directly. mx2 is 3 into 2 cos theta. So 6 cos theta plus nx1 2 into minus 1 minus 2 divided by m plus n 3 plus 2 5 comma m by 2 3 into 2 sin theta 6 sin theta plus n into y1, that is 2 into 1 2 divided by m plus n 5. Now equating x coordinates and y coordinates. So by cross multiplying 5 into x 5x is equal to 6 cos theta minus 2. Minus 2 we can take this side. 5x plus 2 is equal to 6 cos theta. Similarly, comparing y coordinates, 5 into y 5y is equal to 6 sin theta plus 2. So 2 we can take this side. 5y minus 2 is equal to 6 sin theta. What is the relation between sin theta and cos theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1, no? So that is the reason squaring on both sides and add it both values. So 5x plus 2 whole square plus first LHS I am adding 5y minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 6 cos theta whole square plus 6 sin theta whole square. So here a plus b whole square expansion 25x square plus 4 plus 20x plus 25y square plus 4 minus 20x is equal to 36 cos square theta plus sin square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. After that 25x square plus 25y square plus 20x minus 20y, sorry this is y now, minus 20y, 4 plus 4 8, 36 into 1, 36 we can take this at minus 36. So therefore 25 take common, 20 take common, 25 into x square plus y square plus 20 into x minus y, 8 minus 20, 36 minus 28. So which is the required locus of the point Q which divides the line joining of f minus 1 comma 1 and variable point. So 25 into x square minus y, x square plus y square plus 20 into x minus y minus 28 equal to 0, which is there in the first option. We will move to the next question. The next question. If a straight line through the point minus root 8 comma root 8 making an angle 135 degrees with x-axis cuts the circle x is equal to 5 cos theta and y is equal to 5 sin theta in the points A and B, then the length of segment AB is minus root 8 comma root 8, which belongs to second quadrant. See here, the rough figure I am drawing. This is the circle equation. So somewhere minus root 8 comma root 8. This point is there. By observing x is equal to 5 cos theta, y is equal to 5 sin theta, these are the parametric equations of the circle. X is equal to r cos theta, x is equal to r sin theta means what? For these corresponding parametric equations, the circle equation is x square plus y square equal to r square, where r is equal to here 5. So, x square plus y square is equal to 5 square, that is equal to 25. So whose center is 0, 0 clearly. So the circle I am drawing here. This is the circle whose center at 0, 0 and radius is 5 units. From here to here it is 5. From here to here is also 5. This line, one line they are saying, if a straight line, this is a straight line, C point they are saying, if a straight line passing through the point minus root 8 comma a root 8 and making an angle 135 degrees with x-axis from here to here 90 plus 45 135 degrees. This line makes an angle 135 degrees with x-axis, cuts the circle in the points A and B. So here point B I am taking, here the point A I am taking. Then the length of segment AB from here to here, length of segment AB means from here to here, indirectly they are asking, is it diameter or not? Indirectly it is a diameter, absolutely it is a diameter. So AB, R value, diameter means AB, 5 plus 5. So diameter length AB is equal to length of the segment. Length of segment AB. AB is equal to 2 times of the radius. Clearly we are observing here. Whether it is passing through origin or not, we will check that. Point is root 8 comma root 8 and 135 degrees. So M is equal to tan theta. Tan 135 minus 1. Tan of 90 plus 45 minus cot 45 minus 1. Slope is minus 1 and passing through minus root 8 comma root 8. Whether it is correct or not I am checking. No need to do this one. Here only we got it. R value is 5 now. So 2 into 5. So it is equal to 10. Therefore length of the segment is 10. We got the answer. But whether this line is passing through the origin or not, we will check out. Then only it will be a diameter. Otherwise it is not a diameter. But whenever they mention 135, obviously it is passing through the origin. So still we will check. M is equal to minus 1 and minus root 8 comma 8. Y minus y1 is equal to M into x minus x1. Y minus root 8. M value minus 1 into x plus root 8. So y minus root 8 equal to minus x minus root 8. Minus root 8 get cancelled. Minus x you can take this sign. Y is x plus y is equal to 0. So in this line, constant is not there. Whenever constant is not there means obviously passing through the origin. Obviously passing through the origin. So AB is a absolutely diameter. Is equal to diameter also. AB is equal to diameter of the circle. X cos theta, x is equal to 5 cos theta and 5 sin, y is equal to 5 sin theta diameter. So AB is equal to 10. We will move to the next question. Next concept, next question. The length of chord of contact of the point 3, 6 with respect to the circle x square plus y square equal to 10 is. So first of all, what is chord of contact? This is the circle equation. S is equal to 0. Let us consider P of x1, y1 be any point, external point other than center. Draw tangents from an external point to the circle. So this is one tangent. This is another tangent. So where the tangents are touching the circle, that means point of contacts. These are called point of contacts. The line joining of point of contacts of the circle of the tangents. Line joining of point of contacts of their tangents is called chord of contact. See, this is the chord of contact. S1 equal to 0. Chord of contact for the given circle. S1 equal to 0. This is S is equal to 0 circle. This is A point. This is B point. But how to calculate the length of chord of contact? The length of chord of contact formula is the length of chord of contact. Two times of the radius is into square root of S11 divided by S11 plus R square. This is the formula to calculate the length of chord. So to calculate this length of chord, we need to calculate radius of the circle as well as power point S11. So given circle S is equal to x square plus y square, 10 we can take this side, minus 10 equal to 0. So given point, what is given point? 3 comma 6, that is x1 y1. So radius of the circle, this given circle is x square plus y square equal to 10, compared with x square plus y square equal to r square. So r square is equal to 10. We required r square, and sometimes r is equal to root 10. So r value we got it, r square value also we got it. Now S11 calculate. S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 10. In place of x1 y1 3 comma 6 substitute. 3 square 9 plus 6 square 36 minus 10. So 45 minus 10, which is equal to 35. So S11 is equal to 35 and r value root 10. Now come to the formula. Therefore, length of chord of contact, which is equal to 2 into r value root 10 square root of S11 35 by r square plus S11. S11 value is 35 plus r square is 10. So 2 root 10 square root of 35 divided by 45. So 5 table. 5 sevens are, 5 nines are. 9 you can take outside, 3 will come. So 2 root 10 into root 7 by root 9. Root 9 means 3. So that is equal to 2 by 3. Root 10 into root 7 is root 70. So therefore the length of chord 2 by 3 into root 70, which is there in the first option. We will go to the next question. The next question. A chord of circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y equal to 0 passing through the origin subtends an angle tan inverse of 4 by 7 at the point where the circle meets positive axis. Then the equation of chord is, they are asking, equation of chord. A chord of the circle, by observing the circle, in this constant term is not there. In the circle equation, constant term is absent. It is obviously passing through the origin. So remember, this is the circle equation, simple circle. Here I am taking the, it is passing through the origin now, I mentioned. So this is 0 comma 0. A chord passing through the origin. This is the chord passing through the origin indirectly. At the time, tangent also calculate. So even this is also chord. Even this is also chord. Tangent at x1 comma, tangent at origin. What is the given equation of circle? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y equal to 0. So g is equal to minus 2, f equal to minus 3. So first S1 equal to your tangent equation calculate. S1 equal to 0. At what point? 0 comma 0. This is x1 y1. xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Anyway, c value 0. x1 y1 value also 0 comma 0. So this value 0, this value 0. G value is minus 2 into x plus 0. F value is minus 3 into y plus 0 equal to 0. So ultimately minus 2x minus 3y equal to 0. 2x plus 3y equal to 0. This is a tangent equation whose slope m1 is equal to minus 2 by 3. I am assuming that slope of this tangent m1 is equal to minus 2 by 3. Slope of this chord, either this chord or this chord I am taking. Slope is m2 is m. Otherwise, this is m1 you can take. This is m2, this is m1 you can take like this. Even m1 is equal to m. And one more important point you have to remember. the angle subtended by a chord is equal to the angles subtended by a tangent and chord. Tangent and chord, both are same. This is very important point. Make a note. That means from here to here, how much angle it will be making. Even from here to here also making same angle. If you join like this is also chord. So here angle, both are same. And tangent is, slope is minus 2 by 3 and chord slope is m1, we are assuming as m. Angle between them is theta, then we have tan theta formula. m2 is equal to m, we assume that. This is m2. Let us assume that this is m2, this is m1. m1 is equal to m. m1 is equal to m is the chord slope. Chord slope. This is the tangent slope. Slope of tangent. The angle between these two is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 7 they mentioned. So given theta is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 7. So tan inverse tan theta is equal to 4 by 7. What is tan theta? Tan theta means angle between them is mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 4 by 7. m1 value is what? M. Minus m2 value is minus 2 by 3. Minus of minus 2 by 3 by 1 plus m1 m2. So minus m into 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 7. Take LCM here. 3m plus 2 divided by 3 minus 2m is equal to 4 by 7. Cross multiply, squaring on both sides. 7 into 3m plus 2 is equal to 4 into 3 minus 2m. Better to do instead of squaring on both sides. Any one of the side plus or minus, that is better. Well and good. So 21m plus 14 equal to plus or minus 12 minus 8m. 21m plus 14 is equal to first case 12 minus 8m. Another case here I will write it. 21m plus 14 is equal to minus 12 plus 8m. So minus 8m we can take this side. 29m is equal to 12 minus 14, that is minus 2. So 29m is equal to minus 2. M is equal to minus 2 by 29. So next one, here 8m we can take this side. 21 minus 8, it will become 13. 13m equal to minus 26. M is equal to minus 2. Passing through the origin and slope is minus 2. So y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 0 equal to m value minus 2 into x minus 0. So y is equal to minus 2x. 2x plus y equal to 0. So if you consider this one, you will get y minus 0 equal to minus 2 into x minus of, so minus 2 by 29, x minus 0. So 29y is equal to minus 2x. 2x plus 29 equal to 29y equal to 0. But this equation is not available. Even this is also right answer. Plus 2x plus y is there. So x plus 2y is there. Sorry, 1 minute. 13 ones are, 13 twos are. 8 y get it minus 26. So 2x plus y is the equation of chord. It may be 2x plus y is, sorry, 2x plus y. So second option is the right option. Dear students, the same question here in that materials of 7 by 4 is there. So if you take 7 by 4, I have taken mistaken. That is 7 by 4 if you take, even the answer may comes different. So here the steps will change. I will change it. So wherever 4 by 7 is there, 7 by 4 you can write it. That another possibility. So 7 by 4. Even here also it changes, obviously. 7 by 4. So another method it is. This is another question. Same procedure. But here also 7 by 4. So cross multiply. So here plus or minus 7 will be there. Here 4. So from here we can change it. This is another question. Don't think even this case also won't arise. 12m plus 8 equal to, plus I am considering now, 21 minus 14m. If you consider minus, 12m plus 8 is equal to minus 21 plus 14m. So minus 21 you can take this, say 29 equal to 2m. m is equal to 29 by 2. This is another case. When you come to here, this one, 26m is equal to 13. So m is equal to 1 by 2. 13 ones are 13 twos are. So this case, y minus, it is passing through the origin, 0, 0, chord equation. Either this equation or this equation. Already tangent we got it now. So we need to calculate this chord equation, this chord equation. This chord equation or this chord equation. Slope is m is equal to 1 by 2. Y minus 0 equal to 1 by 2 into x minus 0. So 2y equal to x. So 1 minute now. So do this. So x minus 2y equal to 0. X minus 2y. It is there in the third option. If you take the tan inverse of 7 by 4, the answer is third one. Even if you take this one, m is equal to 29 by 2, 29 by 2, there is no option here. Even this is also correct answer. Yeah. Based on the taking angles, I have taken previously tan inverse of 4 by 7. Next is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 is the material it is available. 7 by 4. According to our answer is x minus 2y. This is the, if you take 4 by 7, the answer is x plus 2y equal to. Yeah, 2x plus 1. We will move to the next one. The next question. If the pairs of lines ax square plus 2 into a plus b into xy plus by square equal to 0 lie along diameters of the circle and divide the circle into 4 sectors such that the area of one of the sectors is 3 thrice the area of another sector. See here, according to the question, like this, if you draw the figure, this is one sector, this is thrice. That means one sector it is making an angle theta, means another area of sector making 3 theta. So in the same way, area also, the area of one of the sectors is thrice. So if we consider one area is theta 1, another area is 3 theta 2. According to the question, the area of r square into, what is the formula for that? R square into theta 1 is equal to 3r square into theta 2. Areas also 3 thrice the areas. Area of one sector equal to 3 times of area of another sector. From here, and observe that theta 1 and theta 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Anyway, from here these two angles will be equal to 180. From this figure, either these, suppose if we consider these two also theta 1 and theta 2. Here the angle is theta 1, here the angle is theta 2. But in place of theta 2, 3 times of theta 1 you can take it. Why? Because this angle is 3 times of theta 1, 3 theta 1. 3 times dimension means theta 1 is equal to 3 theta 2. The angle is same. So theta 1 plus 3 theta 1 is equal to 180. So total 4 theta 1 which is equal to 180. That implies that theta 1 is equal to 45 degrees. These are the pair of lines. The pair of lines is given ax square plus 2 into a plus b into xy plus by square equal to 0. In the pair of lines, we have the formula, the angle between the pair of lines in terms of tan we want. Why? Because whenever 45 is there now, so you can apply tan theta formula. Tan theta 1, here theta 1 equal to 2 root over h square minus ab by a plus b. So tan 45, theta 1 is 45, tan 45 is equal to 2 into root of this value, compare with a is equal to a only, and 2h is equal to 2 times of a plus b. So h is equal to a plus b, b is b only. So this is the information regarding the pair of lengths. So h square means a plus b whole square minus ab divided by a plus b. So tan 45 is 1. So cross multiply, a plus b is equal to 2 root of a minus b whole square minus, a plus b whole square minus ab. Cross multiply, squaring on both sides, a plus b whole square is equal to 4 into a plus b whole square minus ab. Now simplification, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 4 into a square plus b square plus 2ab minus ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 4a square plus 4b square plus 8ab minus 4ab. So all these values I am taking here. So 4a square minus a square, 3a square. Next 8ab minus 4ab is plus 4ab, 2ab you can take this side. So ultimately 2ab will come. 4b square, here b square you can take this side, plus 3b square. So this is the condition, 3a square plus 2ab plus 3b square equal to 0, which is there in the fourth option. This is given information, this is given that from the question we got it. We'll move to the next question now. The next question. The locus of poles of tangents to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. With respect to the circle, x square plus y square plus 2ax minus a square equal to 0. So how to do this type of problems? You remember, dear students, the locus of poles of tangents to the circle with respect to the another circle. With respect to another circle is there, no? For that circle, with respect to, for which circle it is there in the question. For that circle, you have to calculate polar equation. That polar equation touching the tangent for the first circle. This is the way you can do that any question like this. Not only in circles but also in conic sections. You will get the answer. So this is the way you can proceed. So first circle is x square plus y square equal to a square, whose circle center is 0, 0. C1 you take, and radius r is equal to a. And second circle, what is the second circle? X square plus y square plus 2ax minus a square equal to 0, whose circle center is minus a, 0. Radius is not required here, just I am saying. Locus of poles of tangents they are saying, no? So pole you can assume that. Let p of x1, y1 be the pole. Be the pole. The polar of this equation is a tangent to this first circle. The polar of p. The polar of p with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 2ax minus a square equal to 0 is s1 equal to 0. s1 equal to 0 to the corresponding this equation of circle you have to write it. xx1 plus yy1. 2gx is there means g into x plus x1 plus in place of g a is there. So a into x plus x1. Anyway y coordinate is not there. Leave it, and constant minus a square equal to 0. This equation you have to write in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So from these two x take common, x into x1 plus a plus y into y1. After that ax1 minus a square. ax1 minus a square is equal to 0. Equation 2 you take, equation 1 you take. Equation 2 touches equation 1. Equation 2 is a tangent to touches. Poles of tangents means that only meaning. This polar equation is a tangent to the circle 1. Touches equation 1. Then R is equal to D. Radius of this circle is equal to what? A is equal to D. Perpendicular distance from circle center 0, 0 to equation 2. So perpendicular distance means mod C by root of A square plus B square, x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. So A is equal to mod, in place of x and y substitute 0, 0, this term goes to be 0, and remaining ax1 minus a square mod C by root over a square plus b square, x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. So x1 plus a whole square plus y coefficient whole square, y1 square. So a take common from these two, a is equal to mod a into x1 minus a by root of x1 plus a whole square plus y1 square. So here a get cancelled. After that we can cross multiply. Root of x1 plus a whole square plus y1 square is equal to mod x1 minus a, squaring on both sides, x1 plus a whole square plus y1 square is equal to x1 minus a whole square. So x1 square plus a square plus 2ax1 plus y1 square. Otherwise we can apply algebra formulas also. This we can take this side. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. We can write like this also for the student convenience and writing. Otherwise directly also we can. So this we can take this side, y1 square plus 4ax1 equal to 0. Therefore the locus of P, the locus of point P is wherever x1, y1 is there, replacing with x comma y, y square plus 4ax is equal to 0. So which is there in the third option. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. If you like this video, please share it to your friends and relatives. So one of the students requested to make this video level 3 problems I discussed in this video. Thank you all for watching my channel Maths with Panitra. Signing off.